Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi from India. In this video, we will learn how you can become a Wakelet community member. So while becoming a Wakelet community member, you will have a lot of opportunity to interact with the beautiful or wonderful community of Wakelet to do a lot of things for your students. So here we will go to the wakelet.com, and after that I have just clicked on the community. So here is a page. So there is a reasons that why you can join the Wakelet community. It will help shape our platform, have your say in the development of new products and features, become a key member of Wakelet's passionate community to share and exchange ideas, and get your hands on some awesome goodies and represent Wakelet around the world. And how the Wakelet community works. So being a community member, you can test pre-release features and provide feedback that directly impacts the platform, and you will have access to the behind the scenes news and feature updates, and you will receive a Wakelet swag and goodies worlds representing Wakelet around the globe. So this is how you can avail a lot of opportunities from the Wakelet by joining Wakelet community. So here is a link that is join the community today. So you just have to click on that and just fill a simple form representing your details. So let us start. So I'll click here on apply now button. So what's your first name? Suppose I write here Tanvi, and I will click on the last then the enter, and last name as Singh, and it will ask my email address. So let me give my email address here, and after that I will again click on the enter button. So what's your Wakelet handle? So for that you should have a Wakelet account. So let me search my Wakelet account. So here goes. So for before that you should have an account on Wakelet. So this is my Wakelet handle, my Wakelet profile, and I will click on the enter. Now it will ask you for your Twitter handle. So for that I can also search my Twitter handle. So here it is. You just have to put all the handles related to your Wakelet account and Twitter, and after that how do you currently use Wakelet to support my students in remote learning. So just a simple question that how do you currently use Wakelet, and you have to click on the enter. Then are you part of any communities or ambassador programs? So if you're an MIE expert, that is from the Microsoft program, MIE fellow, Google trainer, Google certified educator, Apple teacher, Adobe certified trainer, Flipgrid ambassador, other. So if you don't belong to any of, you can type other, and you can type here none. So if you are ambassador or expert or a fellow trainer, so you can click as per your answer. So for that you have to click on the tick button and then just click on the OK. So where about in the world are you from? Just I will write here Chandigarh. So you can mention your place here and just click on the enter button, and after that what will happen, your form is completed and it will show you the message that thank you for your application, we will be in touch. In the meantime, make sure to follow us on Twitter by clicking here. So you can follow Wakelet on Twitter here, and you just have to click on the finish button. So after the review completed by Wakelet, you will receive this beautiful community member Wakelet badge. So get ready for that, and don't forget to join Wakelet and apply for being the community member to join this wonderful initiative by Wakelet. So just have to click on the finish button, and it will take you back to the same form from where we have started. So this is all about how you can become a Wakelet community. Thank you so much.